So I'm going to be looking at 1.1.5, which is to evaluate alternative installation processes. So why are installation processes used? So most corporations, firms, and enterprises will need to change their systems at one point or another. So some examples of a company who may need to change systems is a legacy system that is no longer compatible with the necessary software, fundamental flaws in the architecture of the system, or security issues with an old system. And then what are the four methods used for changing systems? So there's parallel, which is running old and new systems at the same time. Then there's phased, going from an old system to a new system in small steps. Pilot, which is a new system used by a limited group of users. And then the direct or big bang approach, which is going from an old system to a new system overnight. So to start, let's do parallel running. So why would a company parallel run? It's very low risk as both are running at the same time. So if the new one goes down, you can revert back to the old one. And it's easily comparable. So if you run two same tests, while they're both running, you can check the results quickly to make sure it's working the same. Some of the disadvantages are that it's very expensive in time and both money, because having a system running up at the same time costs a lot for a long period of time. Then we have phased implementation. Why would a company use this? Because it allows staff to slowly get to new grips with the system, and training can be done in stages. So as you can see here, you slowly start breaking down the old system and implementing newer parts of the system, which allows staff to get grips with the system faster. And then what are some of the potential issues? It's not always possible to change in phases due to some systems. And if the new part of the system fails, there won't be any backup for that. So that's a risk. And then we have pilot running. So for pilot running, all features can be fully trialed. It's quite low risk. If it fails, only a small group is affected. And it's cheaper than parallel running while giving a similar effect, however, only with a smaller group of people. So like it says here, the disadvantage of that is that the group of the company that's piloting doesn't have a backup. And also the pilot group may be would be more expertised in knowing how to use the system. So even if the system works, the people who are new to using the system might not get to grips with it very quickly. And then we have the direct changeover or big bang, which is when a company goes straight overnight from an old system to a new system. This is the easiest one in theory because it takes minimal time and effort, and it's also very cheap because all you have to do is get the new system and implement it. However, it would be a lot more expensive and time-consuming long-term if it goes wrong, which is a very high risk, especially if it's a very large company. So this is probably best suited for a smaller company. And here's a Kahoot.
Fantastic,